Hello everyone, my name is Günay Gojayeva, and my CRN is 10,152. Today I'm going to solve the hard problem, which wants me to prove that if the function fx is defined and monotonic on the interval a to b, traverses all intermediate values between fa and fb, then it's continuous on the interval a to b. Let's start. I want to start with explanation of monotonic function. Monotonic function is a function that is increasing or decreasing on an interval. And let's choose any 2 points, x1 and x2. For the mean value theorem, fx2 minus fx1 equal to derivative of fc multiply x2 minus x1. C is between x1 and x2. The sign of right side of equation, this is right side of equation, is same as sign of derivative of fc. The reason is that x1 minus x2 is positive because x2 greater than x1. And if fx2 greater than fx1, it means that derivative of f is positive on a to b. And if fx1 greater than fx2, it means that the derivative of f is negative on a to b. Let's proving of increasing and decreasing functions. You can see that I draw 2 graphs here. First one is, we can see that first one is increasing function from the graph. And let's prove that, let's prove that if a smaller than b, it means that fa smaller than fb. If it's increasing function. You can see that a smaller than b there, and you can see that there fa smaller than fb. Then we decide that it's increasing function. And there it's you can see from the graph that it's decreasing function, and we can also understand it from this equation, because if a smaller than b and fb smaller than fa, it means that it's decreasing function. You can see it also from the graph. You can see that a smaller than b, and there fb is smaller than fa. Let's continue with continuity of the function. Continuity of the function on given interval means that we don't pick up our pen while drawing this graph of the function. For example, let's show. For example, this is graph. I shouldn't, for example, I draw the graph, I shouldn't pick up my pen, then jump from there. I shouldn't pick up my pen. I should draw it from beginning till the end. Let's say that epsilon greater than 0 and x0 is between A to B, this interval, and epsilon less than minimum fx0 minus fa and fb minus fx0. Suppose that x0 is between x1 and x2, and we can see that we can write, then we see that fx1 equal to fx0 minus epsilon, and fx2 or equal to fx0 plus epsilon. Then we put that minimum x0 minus x1 and x2 minus x0. That's all. Thanks for listening. See you.